on the choo-choo train
Chers
here,
voyageurs,
leaving
nous vous souhaitons la
Zermatt.
bienvenue et un agréable voyage à bord du train du
It's
Gornergrat.
3:45,
Signore e signori,
June 14th,
la ferrovia del
2022.
Gornergrat vi dà il benvenuto a bordo del treno con destinazione Gornergrat e vi augura buon viaggio. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gornergrat Railway welcomes you aboard the train to the Gornergrat and wishes you a pleasant journey. 本日はゴルナグラート鉄道をご利用いただきありがとうございます。ゴルナグラートまでの電車の旅が皆様にとって心地よい旅でありますよう心から願っております。
I don't know if this is the cog railway or
それでは
not
これよ
here,
り車
but
窓から
I'm
の
not going
美
to
しい
check.
景色をお楽しみください。
Construction here as we're going out of town. This feels like a cog railway. This feels like a cog railway. Yeah. It is, yeah, that's what I thought. I asked Daniel and he said it wasn't. So this is a cog railway here. Yes. All right. I can feel it underneath of us here. So up we go, up into the hills. Okay. There's the Matterhorn coming into view a little bit here. Breaking out a tree. There it is. You can see it right there. Okay. More trees in the way now. I don't know what's up, but it looks like another break coming up here. So we're going to come around to the other side. There you go. Good view of it there. There's Zermatt down at the bottom, or the outskirts of it. We may stop along the way to let people off. Nobody's getting off. Nobody's getting on unless they open the doors on the other side. Still on the cog train, still going up, and look at we're up where the snow line is just about. See all those peaks over there with the snow on it there. Maybe it'll get a little cooler because it's quite hot in the sun here, but every time we go by some rocks up close you get that coolness that feels really nice. But look at that over there. Wow. We're going to make a stop here, and what is this? This is Griffithsy. Correction, this is Rotenborden. Oh, there's a sign up there. So there is a sign on that pole, so Rotenborden. Okay. Alright, we're starting back up again. And look at all that over there, all that snow. 9,200 feet was the sign that we just passed. So we getting up into thinner air up here, but luckily I'm on the train. I don't have to walk up hills, so I'm good to go. We're coming into our station. This is the end of the line, the observatory, which is out the window up there. But no snow right here, but plenty around us here. Okay, gotta get ready to get off the train. Oh, I just got off the train and we're staying here overnight. Here's the view. I'm up here. And we're staying in the observatory right up here is where we're staying. So that's our home for one night. Okay, a little cool up here, but sun's out, so I'm still in a t-shirt here. All right, let's see where we're going here. Well, this is the view from my window of my room at the old observatory, which is now a hotel. And this is what I can see, and right there is the Matterhorn on a different side that we're seeing. So I have my window open and I'm looking outside. So there we go. There's the cog railway that we took up. Right down there is the station down there. Beautiful place. Like I said, I was outside with just t-shirt on here, but there's still snow up there, but the sun is very intense. And I think we're just above 10,000 feet here. I'll have to check that later and let you know, I hope. But there's another train coming up. Yep. Okay, here we go. Beautiful, beautiful views up here. Okay, just to prove to you, that is the window. There we go. I'm going to close the window now. And back inside. Okay. All the crowds have gone back down on the train, just the people that are up here that are staying here, because the last train has left. So we're up here for the night. There's another thing to walk up there, but it's getting chilly now, and I'm not going to zigzag up to get up to that. And but still, here's a good view here. Wind's picking up, so you might hear a little bit of wind. A little glacier going down there and everything. But there's the mountains there, all the snow right there. We're going to be looking into the sun in a minute here. Gotta hold my hat on. And yeah, so and if we come over here on the outside, I think we might be able to see the train station from over here. Let's go over and take a look. Oh yeah, we can see the train station. Yep, it's actually a better view from my room, but it's down there. And there's the Matterhorn, of course, up there again. So yeah, there were lots of people down there earlier. They just take the train up for the day to walk around and then go back down. But we're only staying here one night, so leaving early in the morning, so won't have time to roam around here much. But it's good roaming here. So like I said, here it is, Switzerland. Yeah, getting ready to have dinner here pretty soon. Very nice indeed. Nice day out here. Crisp visibility, good visibility. Excellent visibility here. Little pools of water over there you can see, and whatnot here. Okay, let's go back inside. Alrighty. Well, it's about 9 o'clock at night. I have my room window open. There's the Matterhorn out there, the train station, all quiet. Train stopped running earlier this evening at 5 or 6 o'clock. Sun's going down. We're almost at the longest day of the year next week. So there's the sunset. Yeah, sun is out there. Getting cool air coming in now, but the old Matterhorn there, you can't see too much on that side, part of the building there. But sure looks good. View from my window here. Yes, indeed. Over here in Switzerland. And I'll have to put the name down at the bottom. This is Grundelklun or something, whatever. But I have a little map that was on my train ticket. So I'll be putting that somewhere in the video, one of these videos here, so you have an idea how we got here. Okay. Here we go, I'm back at my window.